Hey guys, it's Dragon That Little, and I'm back for another episode of the cruise ship down. I have no idea where this leads. Okay, talk to press the. I thought for a second that said cock, but never mind. You're not supposed to be here. Get out. You're not very nice. Wow. Well, he's not a very nice person. Let's stay away from him. Is there another chef we can talk to that can provide us information, perhaps? Hmm? Wait, I'm pretty sure we haven't checked out the entire kitchen. I think I saw the Yolks class play this, and there was another chef you could talk to or something. I don't know. Uh, is there anybody else? Let's do a thorough sweep of the place. Is it, or is this just? Yeah, this is just the elevator lobby. Um, yeah. Okay. Well, I think we have to make like a potion or something. So we might as well make one one potion. I'm gonna eat some snake. Okay, let's make a potion. Grab fermented spider eye, nether wart, and glistening melon, as well as 2 bottles of water. Oh, okay, it's all ready. Never mind. So, okay. Actually, I should have. So dumb. Awkward potion and glistening melon. Give me the potion of instant health. Okay, we'll turn one into a potion of in potion of harming. I think that's what it's supposed to. Okay, we'll dump like 4 cakes in here. Oh yeah, and 1 water bottle as well as this 2 stuff. Okay, we got 2 potions. Now let's get on into his. Oh no, wait, we may want to give him his wrench first. Then we'll go on to talk to. Wait, no, this is no, that's the other place. Whoopsies. No, this is the really rude chef. Yeah, this way. Sorry. Oops. Like, why? No, like, no. Okay. Steady on. Steady on. Gonna give him his wrench, and we'll go. Wait, okay, so we went to A first, right? Wait, isn't this? Oh, okay, let's go this way and this way. Repeat our engine room. No entry. Let's go back up and engine compartment here. Give him his wrench. Give him his wrench. No, not walls, wrench. Okay, where are you, wrench? Reveal yourself. Okay, you're here. Okay. Wrench. There. Use your access card. Okay, let's grab it from our inventory. Okay, now let's open up.
I was wondering when you show up. Before you ask, no, I'm not the murderer.
Satalis!
Businessman. Either.
This is my real voice.
Oh my
I'm
god.
an undercover agent, like you. It wasn't hard to work out. When Evil was murdered, I decided to take a look around and investigate. But it looks like you've been doing a better job than me. I couldn't find anything.
Yeah, that's kind of
I
dumb.
talked to someone earlier, saying they saw someone with brown hair. That was me. You can forget about that clue. The only place left for you to check is Vincent's suite. Only 2 people have the access card needed to go inside. Vincent and his brother Riley. I grabbed Vincent's card from his body. I already had a look inside the suite, but I couldn't find anything interesting. I left the door open for you, so you can check it out for yourself. Well, good luck. This cruise couldn't have gone much worse, huh? Bye-bye.
That's kind of creepy. Okay, do we get anything for that? I think we'll go into the engine compartment and fully check out the ship. See? So, elevator ahead. Go about this way. Okay. Engine compartments B. Okay, let's go. No entry. Screw that. Repeater powered engine. What? Let's go see how this works. Yeah. Okay, please press to talk to the man. Excuse me. I hope you don't suppose, you can help me, I'm an intern and something's, well, broken. Weird looking right. It wasn't me, I swear. But I don't know how to fix it. I think there's something called a repeater in that gap on the right. I managed to grab all the broken parts though. I put them in a chest in the corner, but I don't know how to grab them. Could you help? Yeah, I think I remember how this goes. Okay. Up. Okay, cool. 2 like that. 1, 2, 3, and a bit of redstone in center. Redstone repeater, and it is, I think, it's this way. Okay, cool. Oh my god! Wow, god. Oh my god. How much How much damage does this do? Okay, must have had access to the wait. We used to cook? Wait, what? Wait, where did you get that knife? That was stolen from here just yesterday. This must have been the water weapon. They tried to ditch it here. Perhaps it came from the kitchen? No, I don't know who stole it. However, whoever did it must have had access to Evil's suite though, because the other elevators were shut down when it was stolen. Okay. Okay, you might want to talk to somebody else. Engines inside, mechanics only. So, let's go to the kitchen again and see what this chef has to say to this knife. And see if this mechanic story checks out. Wait, isn't there a... Yeah, there's a straight away to the elevators. So let's take that. Excuse me, God. Okay. Yeah, I know, I saw that. This is the way to Riley's suite. Let's go talk to... Killer's access to suite. Okay. Cool. That I think is important. Thanks, I guess.
Huh?
Oh, okay. Okay, I think the last place we have to go is into Vivo's private suite. Oh, there's a chef. Okay, Chef Douchey. Hey there, looking to get up to Vivo's suite, huh? Do me a favor, I'll open you that door. Make me a potion of harming. I need to teach a certain mechanic not to mess with the angry chef. Mighty Chef Douchey. Please, you can make the potion in the kitchen. I can't remember how to do it, but I think there's some instructions in the chest. Once you've made the potion, right click on Douchey and trade it. Okay, I get it. I have ready made it. Yeah. Good deal. Cool. Let's go in here. Huh. Sweet door is already open. That's not odd. I didn't we just see that the other guy said already opened it for us? And what's in here? How to survive decapitation. What? So is he still alive? How to get rid of cobwebs. Certain information is getting worse. Okay, what's in here? More golden apples. Oh, he stole some grog too. You grog stealer. Arms dealing smug. How to get murdered. Okay, wait, was it? How not get murdered. Wow, he goes against everything in his book. The life and times of Guybrush. How to show off your wealth. Toilets volume number 3. Sink poop. What is wrong with this guy? I mean, he was an arms dealer. We all know that, but really, the dangers of cruise ships, and now you're on one. Wow, the sweet life of you. How to get rid of cobwebs, bloody poop, babby grog, not so babby. Yeah, let's grab all these exquisite apples. They look, those look really nice. Toilet volumes, my god, he goes against all these. My god, it's all ridiculous. It's all so ridic. What a ridic. What a Richard. Okay. What is the name of his favorite book? Valkyrie. Okay. Okay, I think that is important. Oh, okay. ABC. Valkyrie. V. Where is V? V. And A. L. K. Valk. Y. 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 RIE. Where is R I and E. Ooh, cool, cuckoo. Whoa, it's really dark. I, what? What? Vincent's diary? Clue, Vincent's diary. Dear diary, I've decided to store my diary in the vault because I really times infinity plus 2 to the power of etc. don't want anybody to read my embarrassing stories. Anyways, I'm worried about Riley. Our father passed away last week and he left a will. I don't know why, but he's left almost all his riches to me. As if I'm not rich enough already. All he left Riley was some house in the middle of nowhere. Needless to say, he's been very angry lately. He's starting to get this look in his eye, like he's scheming or something. I don't know. To be honest, I don't care. I don't really care that much about him. After all, I'm now absurdly wealthy. This money will let me live a long, happy, lovely life. I, improvs. Improvs. So, okay. No, that's not what I want to do. Okay, so we have two pieces of evidence or clues or something. Frick. Okay. I let's get out of here. Was this open when we came? Elevator to the lounge. I think we might as well go there. Okay. Oh, this is fancy. It's a nice fancy. I guess Zedsius is the only one not here now. I guess. Okay, caution. Important signs ahead. Okay. Welcome to the lounge. Here you will gather statements and accuse a guest of being a killer. In order to accuse someone, you must have two correct pieces of evidence to prove it. If you are wrong, you will get one more chance to accuse again. You can use the ask option to gather more evidence. This option allows you to question and guess about an item or clue you have found. They will give you the item back afterward. So doing this could provide you with their statement about it, which could be a piece of evidence used to accuse the killer. You need a motive and a proof item in order to properly accuse someone. You can ask about you can ask about as many items as you wish to accuse and ask. Drop items into hoppers. By the way, they may fumble around with the object for a few seconds. We're all a bit clumsy, so be patient. Good luck. Warning, once you have asked an NPC about a clue, do not ask them about it again. You may lose the clue. Note, if this area is light, turn off smooth lighting. Okay, might want to do that. New smooth lighting maximum off. Okay, okay, that's better. Thank you. Actually, it's a bit worse. Let's ask him about his bottle of Hoy. No, that's Richie's bottle of Hoy. Let's ask him about his wad of cash. And in the meantime, we should actually. Let's just chuck it in here. Okay. Wow. Wow. You're beginning to be really suspicious. Killer's access. Sweet. Diary. Okay. Let us ask him about Vincent's diary. Interesting. Oh, cool. Thanks. Motive, Riley. Okay, thank you, Mr. Denier. What about killer's access to suite? Let's try that. Mr. Denier? Mr. Denier. Sorry, mate, I got nothing to say about that. Okay, thanks. Do we get it back? Okay, so we have all this stuff. Let's go talk to somebody else. Okay, Richie Rich. I have to ask you, inquire you, about your bottle of poison. Let's see. Yeah, we're in ask. Okay, bottle of poison. What with your bottle of poison? Okay. Okay, killer's access to suite. You got anything to say? Shoot. Wow, you you really are annoying, aren't you? Okay, I got it back. Let's see, who else can we inquire? Okay, we got Simon Brindley over here. Let's ask him about, let's ask him about killer's access to suite. Got anything? Oh, oh, cool. Oh, we got motive and proof. We can accuse him now. Okay. Where's Riley? I think he's in one of these rooms because I don't see him. And Zed Salius isn't here, so anything. Is that Riley in there? Okay, that's Riley. You actually look really bad right now. Proof and motive. Ah, crap. It was you all along. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh, my God. What was... Oh, frick. Oh, man, things are going off. Lag. Lag. Shite. Shite. What? What? Oh, am supposed to go in here? Ah, yes. Okay. Hey. What is... F. Painting. Save me. Emergency access card. Okay, cool. Oh, crap. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no, poor people dying. No. You have to get out of here. Epic music. Epic music. Taking on water. Cruise ship down. Cruise ship down. With katana. Up the water. Get out of here. Let's get out of here. We have to get out of here now. We have to get out of here now. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Gotta eat this. Let's, yeah. Mid-deck. Okay, gotta get out of here. Epicness. We have to get out. We have to get out of here now. Grog storage. Oh, rats. Rats. Where do we go? Oh crap, rats. You suck rats. Suck rats. nigga. I'm going to make it out of here. I'm Arnold's Minecraft Nator. What? No. No, maybe over here. You have to get out of here or die trying. Oh, no. This is all you. Oh, no. But I mustn't die. What? No. I mustn't die here. I am Arnold Minecraft Nator. What? Oh, wow. I feel incredibly I feel incredibly stupid now. Upper deck, let's go. Okay. No pushing. Push. 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 Okay. Soul sand. Are you kidding me? I can see daylight. We're going to get out of here. Okay. Do we have any blocks in here that could help? Anything at all? Oh god. What? Oh god. Oh, lucky. Lucky. We made it out of here. We made it out of here. Okay. This is the end, my friend. Thanks for playing. Yay! Map created by Sentimenta, AK, Norman, Jaden, Poe, and special thanks to Zalius. All held the ridge around. Okay. What else? Wilson. Hello, Wilson. Song titles. Rallying the Defense, MachinimaSound.com, Rogue Galaxy, soundtrack, Swinging, Discworld, North soundtrack, track 1, Victory Music. Okay, let's play Victory Music. Wait, is that something that we didn't read in here? Okay, let's see. Okay. You've managed to escape the ship just as it sank and have washed up on a desert island in the middle of the ocean. So, you'll probably die out here. But hey, you escaped the ship. Yay! Are you kidding me? That's the worst ending ever. I'm in the middle of nowhere with a tree and this guy. Oh, it's Simon. What do you do? Oh god, that's disgusting. That's disgusting, Simon. You are disgusting. Disgusting. It's a piston. Yeah, Colin, shut up. Oh crap. You're disgusting, Simon. Ugh. You don't deserve your British gentlemanliness. Yes. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this super stupid ending. Other than the fact that we escaped with Arnold Minecraft Nator, it seriously sucks. We're in the middle of nowhere and with limited supplies of food. Actually, we got a lot of food, right? Yeah, we got pretty much a lot of food on us. We may survive. Anyways, yeah, so anyways, thanks you guys for watching. Check out my other Minecraft content, and yeah, do stuff, do more stuff, do subscribe, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah, blah blah blah. This map was kind of cool. Download the description below. It's 1.6.2, yada yada. And this is Dragon Knight Lego with inconspicuous glasses. Peace out. And hopefully you enjoyed the series.